Adventurers, if you're ready to escape into the wild and see a side of Florida most people overlook, let me introduce you to Myakka River State Park, a true hidden gem just east of Sarasota. It's not only one of Florida's oldest state parks but also one of its biggest, stretching across a whopping 37,000 acres of wild beauty. One of its most well-known features, the Canopy Walkway and Tower. Picture a 100-foot suspension bridge hanging 25 feet above the ground, linking two towers, with the tallest one soaring over 74 feet high. It's the first public treetop trail in North America. How cool is that? Up here you're in the thick of the canopy, spotting unique plants, birds, and even those pesky weevils scientists love to study. Take the William S. Boylston Trail, climb the short tower, cross the bridge, then tackle 112 steps up to the observation tower. The sweeping views of wetlands, prairie, and hammocks are worth every step. Now let's talk wildlife. Myakka is famous for its massive population of American alligators. There are up to 2,000 here. You're almost guaranteed to spot them basking along the riverbanks. And if you want a closer look, hop on a guided boat tour or airboat adventure. You'll glide past gators, turtles, otters, wild hogs, and over 300 species of birds, like herons, bald eagles, and roseate spoonbills, if you love hiking or biking. There are nearly 40 miles of trails, from boardwalks through wetlands to open prairies and shady forests. The birdwalk is a must for birdwatchers, especially in winter, when expert naturalists are on hand to help you spot rare species. So, whether you're a thrill seeker, a nature lover, or just enjoy a quiet walk among the trees, Myakka has a wild adventure waiting for you. Pack your camera, and maybe your binoculars, and I'll see you on the trail. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more amazing destinations.